So that was kind of it for the graphing at this point. Now we're going to talk about adding and subtracting complex numbers. So let's say you have a plus bi as one complex number, and you want to add c plus di, another complex number. Well, you're going to take the real parts and add those together. Oops, a plus c. And then you're going to take the imaginary parts and you're going to add those together like you combine like terms. So it'll be whatever b plus d is, I. Okay? So they show you that, and they show you the subtraction case in the book as well. I'm going to do an example for you. So it's really like combining like terms. So example 3 says add 3 minus 4i, there's one imaginary number, and we want to add it to 2 plus 5i, another imaginary number. So I'm going to take the 3 and the 2, get 5, and then I'm going to take the negative 4i and the 5i and get 1i. And I'll have to write the 1, could if I wanted to. Okay? So that would be how you would add them. Now let's take this example, let's take those two and subtract them. So let's say you had 3 minus 4i, and you wanted to subtract 2 plus 5i. Well, just like you normally do with like polynomials, you'd have to subtract the 2 and you'd have to subtract the 5i. So you'd get a 1 here, and then you'd get a minus 9i. So it's really just like combining like terms. But because we have a new set of numbers, complex numbers, we have to go over the operations involving those.